Naka Jinkali UMLA ka Voice of the People Party na Maurang Keneng constituency uba Livingstone Karpran. Haka kenta kali Jinkali haka sngi ka bahandreo jong ka dorbar mang tengka jong ka Ïing dorbar thawan ka jela haka hanyotrik ulber arajar arpusan. Uba kermen shela umentri uba dekmi ya katanat Revenue and Disaster Management ula pentip bah Hapdeng ki Snem arajar arpulai hadu arajar arpusan kiladon hadu hendrup hoteli ki jingjia Pluh ding jong ki Ïing ha East Khasi Hills District. Ula ong bahau Snem arajar arpulai arpusau kiladon lai puwei Tylli ha kabaka pisa kabah nyo lak arpusan hajar tingka Ïarap shikiti Long Ïing bat hau Snem arajar arpusau arpusan kiladon arpu kendai Tylli ha kabah Ïarap pisa hadu arpu kendai lak kat kendai hajar tingka lingba ka State Disaster Response Fund. Haswa kani ubak kermen uliat hu baya ka Long Ïing jong ikong midaris pedi ha ka shnong kut kabangat haka jingjia Pluh ding haka arpu kendai terik unok pra arajar arpu sau Ïarap shilak lai po hajar tingka katba haka bedei bat ikong riburam kharsngi pat amshim la ai namar bala ai she ikong help me kharsngi ibade itraying ibangat ya jingjia Pluh ding haka arteri unok pra arajar arpu sau hapuryang kata shilak lai po hajar tingka.
Mr. Speaker, answer to start question 53. Yes, sir. 1. The government has given relief assistance to Shrimti Midaris Day amounting to 1,30,000 rupees as per SDRF norm. Number 2. No relief assistance has been given to Shrimti Riburam Karni. However, an amount of 1,30,000 has been provided as relief to the owner of the house, Shrimti Helmi Karni.
No supplementary question.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I also thank the Minister in charge of Revenue and Disaster Management for the reply. So I just want to know from the Honourable Minister, when has the government given the relief assistance to these two families?
The amount was released on the 18th February 2025 for both, sir.
Thank you, sir. I may know from the Honourable Minister, how many house fire incidents and other natural calamities have occurred in the last 2 years in the East Khasi Hills district?
East Khasi Hills, sir, I have here the number for 2023-24, 31 with amount of 47,25,000 and 24-25, 29 with the amount of 29,19,900, sir.
Minister, I think the Minister didn't understand the question. I just want to know how many house fire incidents or other natural calamities have occurred in the last 2 years, sir? Just numbers of the incidents.
Here, sir, as I've mentioned, 31 for 2023-24 and 24-25, 29, sir.
Okay. Has the government given the relief assistance to those affected families?
Yes, sir. It's been released.
One more question, sir. Will the government consider providing additional fund or emergency fund to the MLAs? Because when such incident of natural calamities is taking place, we are the first one to be approached with the affected families.
Sir, we from the department, we release the fund as per the SDRF norms, sir, so we cannot go beyond that. If the government would like to extend the support, and we do have the MLAs fund, so as RWP, so that up to the wisdom of the MLAs, they can do as per.
No, I just request the Honourable Chief Minister to please reply this.
Sir, I think the Honorable Minister has already replied very clearly and categorically that the SDRF norms are very clear, and based on the SDRF norms, most of the areas and concerns are addressed, and whatever funds are available in that is given. On a case-to-case basis, sir, as mentioned by Honorable Minister, the concerned MLA also can give from the SRWP scheme or from the DG, the discretionary grant that is given. And on a case-to-case basis, wherever it is there, so we do intervene in whatever way possible, sir. But there is no specific guideline that says that additional amount will be given. It is all on the basis of SDRF norms, sir.
Okay, now we move. Sorry. Yes, please. Mantri Dorling. Yes, please.
Sir, may I know from the Minister in charge, the total number of affected family was still waiting for the payment for the years of 2022-23.
22-23 for East Khasi Hills, sir?
Yes.
East Khasi Hills has been sanctioned, sir. It's already released to the beneficiaries, all the households.
Thank you very much, sir. Mr. May I know from the Minister in charge, how many affected house has been given money to the affected families in my constituency, Mukunro, Sianadi block?
I don't have the detail with me, sir, regarding with the different block wise, but I have district wise, so I require notice.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha. Kam kata ikadur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy bakongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakambha ka jing im bakambha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.